Hello, today we are going to show you how to program T in x100 pad for Citron C4. Firstly, let's check the keys. It's not working. Okay, let's start. Firstly, the keys cannot start the engine. Alright. Okay, let's start. Firstly, we should get the 100 pad with the vehicle. You see? It's connected. And we enter the Citron card. We found this card. Firstly, you should read the security code and follow the instructions from the device. Okay. Press OK and switch the engine on. Switch the engine off and press OK. This process should be repeated in 8 times. After 8 times, you can get a security code. It's very easy, you just follow the instructions from the device. Today here, we are not going to repeat them in 8 times. Okay, and let's start. We find the car in Citron C4. Program keys, follow the instruction. Press OK to this process will erase every keys of the car. Yes. This code is from what we read. From what we repeated in 8 times. Security code correct. Press OK to continue. This is input the number of keys programmed at 5 keys, most 5 keys. Today we program 1 key. We put 1. Just follow the instruction. Switch the engine off. Wait within 15 minutes. Switch the engine on. Right now the key was programmed correctly. Let's check. The remote is working. And let's check if the key can switch the engine on. It's working. Okay, that's all.